Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into fastboot mode. So, to get started, you'll want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options select power off. When the device turns off, again hold the same two buttons, power and volume up. And when you see this mode, you can automatically let go of both of them. If you see this screen disappear, when you let go, start holding these two buttons again. Sometimes when you let go, releasing the power button, it thinks that you're pressing it, so it accepts the first option, which is selected start. So that will bring you back to Android, so that's why when you start holding it again, it will just bring you back in here. But anyway, in here we have a couple options. So starting off with start, this brings us to Android, and we can navigate through them using volume buttons. So I'm going to start pressing volume down to navigate down. Next we have this moronically red text in black. It's barely visible. What it says right here right now is restart bootloader, which just brings us back in here. Now this is fastboot mode as well as bootloader. Then we have recovery mode, and again it's just idiotically kind of red. Trying to see if there is a way for me to show this. Let me try to mess around with the exposure. Oh, there we go. Also clean up the display because I can see how gross it is. There we go. So I'm gonna keep it this overexposed because you can actually now see the text right here. So we have recovery mode, and as well it says fastboot mode right here, which I mentioned before. Next we have boot to FFBM, power off, and we're back to start. So these are all the options that we have access to. And you navigate to them, like I said, using volume buttons, and you confirm them using power button. Now because I want to leave this mode, I'm just going to confirm start, and like I mentioned, so we'll reboot the device and bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.